Get lost in the infinite corridor of the impossible triangle illusion. The impossible triangle illusion is a 2D shape that creates a 3D optical illusion, defying logic and perception. This mind-bending illusion is also known as the Penrose triangle, named after its creator, mathematician Roger Penrose. The triangle's impossible geometry is composed of 3 right-angled triangles, which cannot exist in reality. Our brains are tricked into seeing a 3D shape due to the clever use of perspective and shading. The infinite corridor effect is achieved by repeating the triangle's pattern, creating an endless tunnel illusion. This optical illusion has inspired art, design, and even architecture, showcasing its influence beyond mathematics. Revisit the poignant last phone calls of passengers, including the emotional conversation between passenger CeeCee Lyles and her husband on United Airlines Flight 93 before it crashed on 9/11. On 9/11, 4 commercial planes were hijacked, but United Airlines Flight 93 was the only one to crash in a field. CeeCee Lyles, a passenger on Flight 93, made a heart-wrenching phone call to her husband, Lorne, before the crash. During the call, CeeCee told Lorne she loved him, and he encouraged her to be brave and pray. CeeCee's call was one of over 30 phone calls made by passengers on Flight 93, providing crucial information to authorities. The hijackers on Flight 93 were 4 al-Qaeda terrorists, led by Ziad Jarrah, who took control of the cockpit. Discover the cutting-edge technologies and safety protocols being developed to prevent mining accidents, like advanced gas detection systems. The mining industry is one of the deadliest, with over 15,000 fatalities globally in 2020 alone. Advanced gas detection systems can identify hazardous gases like methane and carbon monoxide in real time. Proximity detection systems use RFID tags to alert miners of potential collisions with heavy machinery. Autonomous drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras inspect mines for hazards, reducing human risk. Wearable devices monitor miners' vital signs, detecting early signs of heat stress and fatigue. Virtual reality training simulations prepare miners for emergency scenarios, improving response times by up to 30%.
Learn about the Apple Newton, a PDA released in 1993 that was meant to revolutionize personal computing but ended up being a costly failure, and what lessons Apple learned from it. The Apple Newton was released in 1993 as a personal digital assistant, or PDA, to revolutionize personal computing. It was the first device to popularize handwriting recognition, a technology that was still in its infancy. The Newton's handwriting recognition was notoriously poor, often misinterpreting simple words and phrases. The device's high price point, starting at $699, made it inaccessible to the average consumer. Apple invested over $100 million in the Newton project, but it ultimately resulted in a $500 million loss.
In 1857, the SS Central America sank in a hurricane off the coast of South Carolina, taking over 400 lives and $400 million in gold with it. The SS Central America was a steamship that set sail in 1857 during the California Gold Rush. The ship was carrying over 400 passengers and $400 million in gold, its cargo highly valuable. On the 9th of September 1857, a hurricane struck the ship off the coast of South Carolina. The ship sank in rough seas, resulting in the loss of over 400 lives on board. The wreck of the SS Central America was lost for over 130 years, sparking many treasure hunts. In 1988, the wreck was finally found, and some of its gold was recovered, confirming its legendary status. Explore how Christopher Columbus's voyage to the New World in 1493 led to the introduction of sugarcane, revolutionizing the global sugar trade and changing the course of history. Christopher Columbus introduced sugarcane to the New World on his second voyage in 1493. Sugarcane thrived in the Caribbean's tropical climate, making it an ideal crop for mass production. Prior to Columbus's discovery, sugar was a rare and expensive luxury only accessible to the wealthy. The introduction of sugarcane led to the establishment of the first sugar plantation in Hispaniola in 1506. By the 17th century, sugar had become a major driver of the transatlantic slave trade, with millions enslaved to work on plantations. Explore the cat-and-mouse game of drone jamming, where electronic warfare meets drone warfare, and learn about the latest counter-drone technologies. Drone jamming is a form of electronic warfare that disrupts drone communication systems. In 2015, ISIS used drone jamming to neutralize Iraqi drones, marking a new era in electronic warfare. Counter-drone technologies, like signal spoofing, can hijack and redirect hostile drones. The US military has developed a portable drone jamming system weighing just 15 pounds for use on the battlefield. Drone jamming is not limited to military use. It's also used to prevent drone intrusions at airports and stadiums. The global counter-drone market is projected to reach $4.5 billion by 2025, driven by growing security concerns. Find out how students can leverage the gig economy to earn extra cash, gain experience, and build their professional network. Over 70% of students work part-time jobs to support their education financially. The gig economy offers flexible, remote work opportunities that fit around student schedules. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork provide access to freelance work in over 300 categories. Gig economy jobs can pay up to 3 times more than traditional part-time jobs per hour. Students can develop valuable skills like content creation, web development, and social media management. By 2025, it's predicted that 43% of the US workforce will be freelancing, making gig economy experience invaluable.
Did you know that top influencers like Chiara Ferragni and Kylie Jenner earn up to $1.2 million per sponsored post? Top influencers earn up to $1.2 million per sponsored post, dominating the influencer economy. Chiara Ferragni, a fashion influencer, reportedly earns $1 million per post, making her a millionaire. Influencers with 100,000 to 1 million followers can earn up to $5,000 per sponsored post. Micro-influencers with 10,000 to 100,000 followers can earn up to $1,000 per sponsored post. Influencers in the beauty and fashion niches earn the most, with an average income of $150,000 per year. The influencer marketing industry is projected to reach $24.1 billion by 2025, growing exponentially. We're ranking the top 5 fastest players in NBA history, featuring De'Aaron Fox, Russell Westbrook, and Allen Iverson. The NBA has been home to some of the world's fastest athletes, with speed being a crucial asset. De'Aaron Fox, known for his lightning-quick drives, reaches speeds of up to 25.5 miles per hour on the court. Russell Westbrook, a 2-time NBA scoring champ, has been clocked at 26.2 miles per hour, one of the fastest ever recorded. Allen Iverson, a legendary crossover artist, was known for his blazing speed, earning him the nickname The Answer. The top 5 fastest players in NBA history have all won scoring titles, emphasizing the importance of speed in scoring. The fastest player in NBA history, John Wall, has been recorded at an astonishing 27.